Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today, I decided I'm going to pot that fig tree again. I'm not going to plant it, I'm going to pot it. So I'm going up just a little bit. I guess fig trees do better when they're sort of root bound versus, and it'll keep the tree smaller. So I'm going to go up a little size. And then when I get a bigger size, I'll just use a truck dolly to get it down into the basement. I'm going to have to research more which would be better, to put it in the basement where it'll go dormant, or keep it in the living room. Obviously the living room would be easier because I have a little plant dolly that I can get it in very easily. So we'll see. But for now, you know, it says to, since this pot's been used for other plants, to scrub it good. Especially since my dirt seems to have a fungus in it. So that's what we're doing now. I ordered soil, so I looked up the best potting soil for fig trees, soilless. And so you can get it on Amazon. I think it's called Happy Farms, Happy Frog or something like that. Good evening, my self-reliant peeps. Today is about transplanting this fig tree. My dirt arrived. It's an organic potting mix. I'll show you the front of it in a minute, but in my, it's a ceramic pot, and it's a little on the heavy side. So I don't want to put gravel in there, so I'm putting up crunched water bottles. That way I won't have so much weight in it, and it'll still be drainage. So it's not all packed in at the bottom, even though there is a drain hole on the bottom. So right now I'm going through the recycling bin. Well, these recycling bins are definitely not made for short people when they want to go dumpster diving. That'll do me. Okay. Well, I thought I had gotten Fox Farms Happy Frog potting mix, but there was also one by this company, and so I must have gotten this one. Either one, they're both okay. It's an all-natural potting mix. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it works. Both of these were recommended for fig trees. I think this is real pretty, this blue. I tend to like navy blue a lot. I forgot how heavy this was with all that gravel in it. It's almost as heavy as that bucket of manure. I think I'm going to have to think on this. Okay. Well, look at those roots. Yeah, I have a nice root system. That's a nice root system. Okay. Okay. From what I've read, I've got 2 inches the whole way around the new pot. They said you don't want it to be too big. So I've got 2 inches around from my root ball to the new pot. So this pot should last me a couple of years. And then I'll have to decide, you know, by then it'll be too big for me to manage. So I can always plant it next to the house. However, you know, it'll be on the east and north side, so while it'll get heat from the bricks, I don't know that, you know, it really needs full sun. And I'll have a couple years to think about it. Meantime, I've got some good soil here. These are my glasses. Okay. Oops. We're going to see if I can get it on the dolly. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, but we'll give it a shot. Well, we're not going to move that too many times. I think what I'm going to do, instead of keeping it in the basement, I'll keep it in the living room because it went dormant. And then I'll just move it out into the, where it'll get full sun on the side of the deck. Yeah, I think that's going to work well. Hey, thanks for watching my Self-Reliant peeps. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate people that are tuning into the channel. I hope you find content that might help you or you find interesting. Again, thank you. I think I think I might get figs out of this tree. I think this looks so much better than the Home Depot bucket that was in the living room for Christmas. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.